Hello again, Dr. Casella here, and in this video I will show you how to import using the from statement. Okay, let's open idle. Okay, hit enter. Now we already know that we can import modules by using the import statement. As an example, we've imported the math module. Import math. Now, that's fine, but if, and we know that the number pi is contained within the math module, but we can't type in print pi, enter, because Python doesn't know what pi is. If we want to print pi, what we have to type is print math.pi. And then we get it. But if you use the from statement, you don't have to type in math every time with the period, anytime you want to use something from the math module. So the way it would work is, let's say I wanted pi. From the math module, the only thing I wanted is the number pi. So I could type from math import pi. Oh, I got an error because I wrote import instead of import. Okay, so let's type it correctly this time. From math import pi. Okay, so now pi is loaded into the system, into its memory. So if I put print pi, it knows what that is, and it prints it. Now, let's suppose I don't like typing in math.pi every time. If I want to use a function from the math module, or if I want to use the function e, for example, like if I wanted to print e, okay? And again, it doesn't know what e is, okay? I have to type print math.e, all right? And there it is. But if I think that that's a pain, okay, and I don't want to type math every time, I could do something else. I could use the from statement, and if I write from math import asterisk, then what that's going to do is that will import everything in the math module, and it'll import it in a way where I will not need to type in math. So I did it. So now if I type print e, it's there. If I want to use any of the math functions, right? So in another lecture I told you about the ceil function. Okay, so if I did ceil of 3.5, what Python does is it returns the integer value higher than 3. So if I put ceil of 3.5, it gives me 4, because it's bigger than 3, so it gives me the next integer value that is greater than or equal to the number I put in. So if I put in, even if I put in ceil of 3.0001, it's still going to print 4 because it's a little bit bigger than 3. So anyway, but the important point, though, is I didn't have to type in math.ceil in order to use the math function. I could just type in the functions right off the bat. The problem with that is now I've got more things that I could potentially go into conflict with. All right, that's all for now. Goodbye.